Welcome back to Igjen. Now I have got some winding noise in the right hand side back brake on the silver RX400. So now I just have to get to fix this. I think there's the slider in the back brake. I'll start to seize the brake shoe having worn down too much. So we just have to see. Jack it up and see. Now I'm using the tires. Here, if it drop down, drop to the tire. Just have to take off. More or less guarantee is 14 here, like on everything else Toyota and Lexus. I have to go and look at the slider and the brake pads. Sliders was going okay. Here, let us see the inner pad is completely worn off. The outer is okay. Let's hope that I have the right pads now. I ordered for the other car. So we have to see. The inner part was completely worn out. The outer part was, yeah, it's good as lasted a little longer. Now it's good to try to clean out the areas here. The set I got here, Bosch, someone have been opening it, but it looks like it could be here. Here's come with new parts. Then I can just take off the one I have and change it. That would be even better. Yeah, just remove the old sliding metal, put in new. Now the rusty old one is out. I get a new one. Yeah, completely new part. In here, to get it to settle down, give it some knocking with a screwdriver or something. Now got that one in. Now I have to change the top up. There. Then just to try to get some like this in, but then we need to put on some grease. This one is made for hot parts, like the brake. There, I managed to get that one in. It was just wanted to fight me. The outside is, you see what you're doing, so it's much easier. Just I lost the sliding grease from before here. Just have to keep on fighting. Now the shit is in. Now is this to move the stamp back. And for that another tool that I had to buy many years ago at a vacation in Sweden. To get this to want to do what I want it to do. There. There. And now on the old sides here, this one was lying is it this way? Had to be. Or was it on the inner? No, I think it was on the inner, yeah. To make those stay in there. And the stamp, it's going on this side. There. And then this small one goes on this side. We just glue it in. I think it was there. There. And I have to remember to put in this part. No, the rubber is there. The sliders was moving as they should. So by definition now this should go on without too much fight. Well, it don't look like that. Because I can't have this one going in and hitting the brake. Okay. Don't want to play the game, just remove it. Because what I have now is this is back. We're supposed to. This one was at the top. Yeah. Another slider pin. Just put on some grease here too. Just the bottom. Yeah. Actually, this was going much easier than I was afraid. I was afraid that the sliders here would be a problem. It wasn't. It's very good. Yeah. Now I just have to tighten up the 14 millimeters. And then this brake should be working. Yeah. Back out in the right place. New pads. Before I screw everything together. Copper grease on the screws. Cleaned up the disc with brake cleaner. So everything should be okay. And then put on the wheel. Twist this one on to 120 Newton meters. That is alu rims. That should be okay. Thank you. I hope you like your video. This video. I have many other of those RX400 hybrids and RX, and it was, I've done a lot on them. So please start following the channel. Start subscribing. Put a like, put comments, ask questions about this car, tell me things you have problems or things you have done. Yeah, thank you. Welcome back.